Hi everyone, in this video we will learn how to quickly insert date and time in Excel. I will show you how to add date and time using functions as well as shortcut keys. Insert date using function. First type equals today, then press enter. It will display today's current date. Insert date and time using function. Now type now, press enter. This will display the current date and time together. Both today's and now are dynamic functions, which means they update automatically whenever you reopen or recalculate the worksheet. Insert date and time using shortcuts. There are also shortcut keys for this. To insert the current date, press Ctrl. To insert the current time, press Ctrl Shift. If you want both date and time in the same cell, first press Ctrl, then type a space, and then press Ctrl Shift plus. Unlike functions, these shortcuts insert a static date and time, which will not change automatically. To learn more useful Excel tutorials, watch my other videos. Thanks for watching and subscribe.